In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook page profile picture in Meta Business Suite. First, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your page. Then open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar. Meta Business Suite is the central place where you manage your Facebook page and Instagram account. So this is where we'll make the change. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you should see your Facebook page details at the top of the screen, including your current cover photo and profile picture. If you manage multiple pages, double check that you're on the correct one before you continue. You can usually switch pages from a drop-down menu in the top area of the interface. In the top section of the dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Facebook Page, just under your cover photo. This is the shortcut that takes you into the page editing view. Go ahead and click on Edit Facebook Page. If it doesn't appear right away, try scrolling slightly or widening your browser window, as sometimes the layout can shift depending on your screen size. After you click it, you'll be taken to a page layout screen where you can edit various elements of your Facebook page. Focus your attention on the profile picture area. This is the small square image that usually shows your logo, your photo, or your brand icon. Right next to that profile picture, you'll see a small pen or pencil icon. This icon represents the edit option for your profile image. Move your mouse over the profile picture area, and when you see that pen icon, click on it. Clicking the pen icon will open up the profile picture editing options. From here, Facebook typically lets you upload a new image from your computer, choose an existing photo from your page's gallery, or sometimes select from images you've already used. Before uploading, make sure the image you want to use is clear, high resolution, and looks good when cropped into a square or circle, since that's how it appears across Facebook. Once you've selected or uploaded your new picture, follow the on-screen prompts to adjust the crop if needed, then confirm or save your changes. After a moment, your Facebook page profile picture will update across Meta Business Suite and on your public page. And that's all you need to change your Facebook page profile picture in Meta Business Suite.